Have you ever experienced that sometimes you wish it's easier to explain and get things done? Did you ever think sometimes that you wish they are seeing what you are seeing? Today we will be talking about a tool that will make sharing ideas more easily and convenient. Coming up, hey there, Connie here, and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. In this video, I will be sharing my screen to you about a screen capture tool that will help your workflow more streamlined so that you can get things done more efficiently. Are you ready? The tool is called CloudApp, and I will share with you the good and not so good things about this app. But in the end, I know that it will be beneficial to you as well as your clients so that you can increase your productivity and you can get a lot of things done easier. So right now, I am using CloudApp. Now, as I've said, this is a screen capturing tool. And let me share with you some features that this app has. So what is CloudApp? CloudApp, as I've said, is a screen capturing tool which you can capture not only screenshots but also videos with a maximum length of 15 minutes and of course GIFs. Not all screen capturing tool can do those things, especially the videos and GIFs. So this is one of the reasons why I'm sharing with you this app. Of course, as a bonus, it also gives us a storage of at least 100 MB in the cloud. Now, why we need to use CloudApp? Let me share with you some reasons. Of course, it's free. You can always upgrade if you need more cloud storage and if you need unlimited screenshots, but the free option is good enough for us. This screen capturing tool will help you to easily demonstrate your tasks or to-dos, and you can also share that app with your client so that if he or she wants you to do something, it will be easier for them to demonstrate to you what they really need. And of course, this app is compatible with Windows and Mac because I know a lot of screen capturing tools who are just good for Windows or just good for Mac. So I choose this app so that whether you use Windows or Mac, you can use this app and share this with your clients. This is user-friendly. I was able to learn fast on how to use this tool, and it's very intuitive. Now, what to expect in this video? Of course, you will learn from me what to do first before you use the app, and where to get the app, and how to use the app. So let's go ahead with the demonstration. Let's check my screen again. In order to get the app, you just have to visit getcloudapp.com and browse the bottom section of the page, and you will see how you can download the product. And so you can choose download for Mac, download for Windows, and bonus, Chrome and Linux is here. So you can download the CloudApp here. Then before you can use this app, you need to sign up and create your own password and log in because you will using that access for your cloud storage. Now, since I already downloaded the app and I'm using it already, I will show you how it works. Now, first of all, of course, you can open the CloudApp and it will show at the bottom corner of your screen. I'm using Windows, so if you are using Windows, you will see the club opening at the bottom right side of your screen. So you can go to this section and make sure to click this space here, just because the logo of CloudApp is white. You cannot see it if you have a white background like my computer. You can just point your mouse here so that you can see that there is an app open, and that is actually CloudApp. So if you click that, you will see this window. So if you're a first time user, you won't see any images here. And since I'm using it already, you can see some of the images that I took. If you want to take a screenshot, just a still image, you can, of course, click this screenshot or hit the bottom Alt Shift 5. Choose this option if you want to capture a still image or just a screenshot, a portion or a whole page of your monitor. So for me, I will click a portion of my web browser. For example, this CloudApp browser. You can drag your mouse depending on which page you are trying to capture. So for example, I'm just capturing this too. I will do that, and then I will just drag it. I'm holding the right click. I'm holding the left click. That's left and not right. I'm sorry about that. And drag it down to up to the section that I want to capture. After that, go back to your CloudApp, and then you will hit this refresh like button to make sure that you see the screen you just captured. There you go. So if you double click it, you will see the image. There you go. This is the section that I took a screenshot earlier, and then you can add some notes to it. So for example, I want to add some line in about, I want to emphasize the about, or I want to highlight some words or draw something. Or of course, we want to change that. For example, I want it to be yellow, so let's put a yellow. If you want to draw a circle to a certain area, you can do that. Or if you want a square one, let's add a square one. If you want to change another color, let's choose one. If you want some portion to be blurred, let's emphasize that area, and you will see that it's already blurred, and we cannot read this area anymore. And if you want to crop, since you for example, you think that the image is too large or there are portions that are not needed, you can just use this one and select a portion that you want to capture instead. So you can apply, you can hit cancel. So that's it, and then you can save it to your computer. And then that's it. So if, for example, I will show you how you will see it in your cloud storage later, okay? So that's how we can capture an image, a still image, or just capture our screen. So let's capture now a video. Or you can just, by clicking this video option or Alt Shift 6. So you can, as the app said, you can just click and drag to select recording area, and then press the blue start button. So for example, let's go to my slide. So for example, I want you to see this area only. I'll hit start. So today you will be expecting in this video what to do first before using the CloudApp, where to get it, and of course how to use the app. So this is a short demo for the video screen capture. So let's hit finish. Now let's check if CloudApp was able to save that video. So this is the video that I just captured. Let's check it out. So today you will be expecting in this video what to do first before using CloudApp, where to get it, and of course how to use the app. Alright, so there you go. It was a successful screen capturing of a video. What you can do next is to directly copy the download link or download the file in your computer, or you want to view it in your browser. Now, if you want to copy the link, the purpose of that is for you to share that video with others. You can of course rename the file, and for example, demo video, and hit the check. There you go. The video is now saved. We can close that since this is just for demo purposes. And then if we want to create another screen capture, or if we want to draw something, this is actually something new. I haven't used it yet because I'm not really into drawing, but let's see what it can do. The shortcut key for draw is Alt-Shift-A. Alright, so let's take a screenshot here, for example, and then let's start drawing. So it's like you just screen captured a page and then a certain section or a page, and then you just want to edit the screen. So it's the same thing as what we did earlier, so I won't have to demonstrate it anymore. It's the same as capturing a certain page and editing that page to make it more specific. So that's the main use of CloudApp. And if you want to see your files at the cloud or online in your CloudApp account, just go to this setting tool that shows more, and then open web app in browser. If you do that, you will see all the images that we took earlier. So if you want to share that, if you want to edit, if you want to share, or if you want to delete, you can do that. If you don't really need these screenshots in your online storage, you can just remove it so that you can use the space in more important screenshots that you need to save online. Thank you for watching this video. If you want me to create more videos like this, let me know in the comments below and share what type of app you'd like me to share with you. I'm excited to look at your ideas. Put them in the comments below. And of course, do not forget to like this video. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. I'll see you soon.